One of the great advantages of digital drawing is the ability to copy, paste, and transform objects to save time. In a previous video in this series, you saw me draw this bar stool using a combination of the flat brush and the technical pen. Now let's duplicate it to save time and fill in the other 5 stools in the sketch. I begin by swiping left on the layer and tapping duplicate. I then tap the transform icon and use the corners of the selection to resize and adjust the perspective of the stool. So it's a little larger, but still converges to the original vanishing points. But there's a problem. You can still see the first stool through the second one, so I need to go back and create an opaque layer of white under the stool before I copy it. Once the object is selected, I choose white in the color palette, tap on the layer, tap the fill layer command, and the stool and the mask below can now be merged into a single object. Now the stool can be duplicated and the original layer can no longer be seen behind it. So let's look at that again. We select and duplicate the stool closest to us. We tap the transform icon. We resize it and adjust the perspective. And now we have 3 stools. Now it would be labor intense to do this 6 different times. So I combine the 3 stools into a group by tapping once on the top stool and swiping right on the other 2 stools to create a group. I then duplicate this group of 3 stools to create the last of the 6 stools in the sketch. One last point to keep in mind. Every time you duplicate an object or a group, that object loses resolution and detail. So just be careful not to copy anything too many times. There you have some tips and tricks for duplicating objects to speed up your sketching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.